दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं. So, hi dear Scorpio, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Seven of Swords. Scorpio, somebody is feeling like there's a sense of deception here. Might be they're trying to hide something from you. I hope they're not trying to steal something from you in some way, but they are feeling like there is something in the situation that is deceptive. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords as their feelings for you for the situation. We have the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. Yes. Okay, they are feeling like there is something about the situation that's off, that's not fully revealed or fully clear between you guys. They feel like talking to you, having back and forth communication with you, and then they're not sure whether this situation that they are worrying about is the real deal or not. Okay, let me explain. So either this person is having something that they want to talk to you about, but they are not sure whether they should talk to you about it right now or they should postpone it, but there is something that's hidden that is not being fully revealed to you or fully explained to you, expressed to you. And or the vice versa might also be true. They might be feeling like they're having some kind of suspicious energies uh, towards you regarding this situation, but they're not sure whether their suspicion is truth or not. That's why they feel like whether they should talk to you or not. There is a sense of confusion here, back and forth here. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Hierophant. From your side, you feel like keeping yourself in a very stable position. Okay, you might be having some father figure around you who might be guiding you in some way regarding this situation, but mostly you feel like keeping in touch with your spiritual side, or maybe something related to your belief system or cultural background is there that you feel like remaining connected to. Let's clarify the Hierophant as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Scorpio. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Empress. Yeah, you feel like you should not get yourself involved in a situation that is not going to give you the kind of growth and expansion and happiness. So basically, you feel like you should not get involved in a situation where you are not able to see a future. Okay, so it can be because of your cultural background, your belief system, or somebody around you who is influencing your decisions or choices when it comes to your love and relationship area. So you feel like remaining single, remaining out of troublesome and not so good kind of energy, so that you guys are going to connect with that person, that energy that is going to have a future with you because of the reasons that I just told you. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Sure. So many cards. I have to reshuffle one more time. Okay, so Sun card. This person wants clarity. There is something about a situation that's hidden, whether it's from your side or their side. They want to clear the air with you. They want to, maybe if they are the one hiding something from you, they want to come out and tell it to you. If you are the one hiding something from them, then they want the clarity from your side. Let's clarify the Sun as their intentions for this particular situation between you and them, Scorpio. We have the Page of Swords, the Emperor, the King of Swords, right? So they are keeping tabs on you, they are keeping their eyes on you, and they just don't want to look like a fool and just charge on you, and they just don't want to point a finger on you without having a full-fledged proof, without having full-fledged understanding of what the situation is and how it is going to move forward. Again, whether they are the one hiding something from you or they have their suspicions about you, about the situation, they just don't want to look like a fool. They want to handle the situation with utmost maturity, groundedness, and then they want to clear the air with you. They want to have proper crystal clear energy right in front of you, so that both of you can decide what to do next in the situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Let's see. We have the Chariot. You just want to have this strong determination kind of energy where you are not going to stop yourself from moving forward for anything or anyone. No matter how many obstacles or challenges you are going to face in a particular situation, you have set your mind to a goal. Like, this is the goal, this is the destiny. Not destiny, this is the destination, and I'm going to reach there no matter what. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot as your intentions for this particular person or situation, honey. We have the Seven of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. You just want to keep yourself in this protected energy. And you just want to be in this, don't want to lose your peace for anything or anyone that's not worth it. Okay, so you just want to stick to this energy of yours, that no matter how many obstacles, challenges, ups and downs, and whatnot you are going to face in your love and relationship area, you are not going to settle for less than what you deserve and what you want. That is the kind of energy that you want in your life. This is your intention. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the, what we have, honey, 26th of July, Scorpio. We have the Knight of Cups. Okay, I do see somebody coming forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, or some kind of offer. Let's see, let's clarify the Knight of Cups as a potential outcome for you guys, Scorpio. We have the Hierophant and the Ace of Pentacles, the Strength card. Somebody is coming forward towards you with some kind of offer of, let's start from the start, but then there's the one of you is more than ready to start from the start and take it forward and start with this intention of having a long term partnership or stable, secure, safe kind of outcome out of the situation, and one of you is going to hold back. Maybe they are going to take time to respond, or they are holding back because of their religion, caste or belief system, or cultural background, something related to belief system is there, strong belief system or religion is there, that is going to stop one of you from moving forward in the situation. Okay, but there is this energy of two people trying to start something from the scratch. One is ready and one is holding back. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Scorpio, for the situation for this week. We have the King of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, this is. You might be getting yourself trapped into these kind of infatuation, attraction, or full of passionate kind of energies in your relationship area, and then you keep on worrying about when I'm going to meet the right person who is going to be there for me for the rest of my life, when I'm going to have a stable, safe, secure relationship, and when I'm going to connect with that person, that energy that is going to be there for me for the long term. Stop entertaining crap, Scorpio. Stop entertaining people who are just there for fun, or stop falling in love too quickly with people whom you are going to get attracted to. Like, you might have this tendency to call infatuation or lust love, or not being able to differentiate between these two energies, huh? So until unless you guys are going to stop entertaining those kind of people, situations, or things that are not aligning with your path of happiness and your path of wanting to have something solid and committed in your life, you will not be able to get what you want. Simple as that. You might connect with people too easily or too quickly, and then the other person might not be that much serious or that much into the situation the way you are, and then you don't even leave, and then you stress about what is going to happen next, when I'm going to connect with the right person, to the right energy. When you are going to stop entertaining the people, situations, and things that are not good for you, not meant for you, that is the moment you will be able to start attracting the right kind of energies in your life naturally and organically. That's the deal here. That's the guidance. Okay. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Scorpio. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and then pause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and very precise. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is no need to worry. Okay. Often there are situations that we fret and worry about even when they are out of our control. These situations can keep us up at night. The no need to worry card lets you know that even if things seem dark, a resolution and an easing will come. Worry will not improve anything, and dawn is just around the corner. Dawn, DAWN. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.